Hey guys, if you want to go from 0 to 50 press-ups as fast as possible, then try this workout. So what you're going to do first is do as many press-ups as possible. And that doesn't matter if that's 5, 10, 15 or 20. Once you can't do any more reps, you're going to do negatives from the top, nice and slow. Once you can't do any more reps, you're going to go negatives again from the middle. Once you can't do any more reps, you're going to go onto your knees, cross your legs, negatives again from the top. Get out as many reps as possible. Once you can't do any more reps from the middle, once you can't do any more, rest for 60 seconds. Do that 3 to 4 sets and do that 3 to 4 times per week. Hope that helps.